Here we are, live in Tijuana, Mexico. I'm here with Wendy. What's your name?
Wendy Contreras.
Okay, see.
Wendy Contreras.
Okay, now, where did you come from? What part of the world?
Riverside by LA County.
Oh, you mean you had to cross the border?
Yeah.
Riverside is in the middle of the desert. She had to cross the desert and then cross the border.
Yes.
I'm totally kidding. Okay, okay, now, what'd you come down here for?
Medical conditions. I wanted to treat myself and basically see what other possibilities I have. Holistic route.
You're kidding, because I mean, well, you work in the medical system.
Yes, I do.
Okay, and typically that's a system designed to give a chemical to alter a physiology.
True.
Okay, and what made you take charge of your health?
I really wanted to see an improvement in my health, especially my breathing. A lot of things that I've noticed that have deteriorated with time, so I wanted to see improvement, which I really didn't get it before, so I wanted to do that for it.
Okay, now most people just take the word of the doctor. They just say, oh, okay, you're having trouble breathing, here's a steroid, here's a bronchodilator.
Yeah.
Okay, but they're not looking at why. Why wasn't that system good enough for you?
Because it wasn't helping. I was still having difficulty breathing, and I still needed to find different alternatives to breathe better.
Okay, cool. Now, what have you tried down here? Have you tried the IVs or the dental or the chiropractic?
Yeah.
I know you've tried the chiropractic north.
Oh yeah, for sure. I've tried the chiropractic, and the chiropractic actually helped me a lot. The IV also, I've tried it, and the dental, I'm working on that one right now. But
Okay.
I've tried a little bit of everything.
Have we gotten the live blood cell analysis of you yet?
Yes.
Was that a trip?
It is a very big impression, especially to see your cells and everything, how your body is working. It's like mind blowing.
It is, because you see stuff that, I like it better, like a complete blood cell count is kind of like in the old days, we used to have a gauge on like the hot water and stuff, and it tell you that the engine's getting hot, and then they switch that to a red light that just says your engine just blew up.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, the live blood cell analysis is more like a gauge. Okay, the complete blood cell count is more like, holy moly, your engine just blew up.
True.
Now you brought your mom and dad down.
Yeah.
Okay, I love your family, by the way.
Thank you.
Okay,
Love you
okay,
too.
yeah. Now, I was adjusting this family back when I was a little baby chiropractor.
True.
Okay, I mean, I would go to your house when I was still in the student clinic.
Yeah.
So I'd known her for forever.
Exactly.
That's the first time you've been here.
Yeah,
I've been here for like 4 years.
I know.
Okay, so this is the Jewish mother part of me. Why didn't you call? Why didn't you come down? What are you doing?
I think we just didn't take that first step.
Okay.
But now that we took the first step, it's kind of like, oh, let's come again. And let's come various times.
Yeah. I mean, once you get to Tijuana,
Yeah.
I mean, you find out the restaurants are cooler, the staff is cooler. I mean, it's just, okay, no disrespect to my staff in Huntington Beach, but I'm telling you, down here, you have to hug everyone before you start the day. Up there, we just get to work. Okay, and I like getting to work, but it's kind of weird to hug everybody.
True.
Dr. George, I wish you would shave, but
Yeah.
Now, so are you going to spend the night tonight?
No, we're heading back today.
Okay.
I work tomorrow, so I need to head back. But there's times that we've stayed over.
Okay,
Yeah.
yeah, because it's a blast.
Yeah.
Now your whole family's been. I know you work in the healthcare industry.
Yeah.
And you're practicing natural stuff.
Yes.
We used to call you the French Underground in World War II. Okay, so just know that in that hospital there are thinking, caring, loving people, and they're all thinking, caring, loving. Okay, but some have protocols that aren't in congruency with how the body regenerates.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, wasn't that politically correct?
I don't know what to say, but you're probably right in that aspect.
Yeah. But oh my gosh, just what could you tell someone? Because so many people out there, I mean, are taking medications to alter symptoms, and they're ending up with nasty effects.
Yeah.
And really, your body is intelligent. It's built by God. If you don't believe that, it's an intelligent design. Of course, that also means it's built by God. But but it's going to give reactions to the environment for a reason. So how could you tell someone to trust your body, take care of it, find the problem?
I would say give your body a try to regenerate itself. Find alternatives that is going to benefit your body and not alter something that's going to affect at a negative stance. And I mean, just try to discover what your body really wants and really needs. I mean, that's what I kind of been trying to do.
Okay, take charge of your health. One of my mentors
Yeah.
told me that said health is going to make itself a priority.
Yeah.
Whether you put it in first place,
Yeah.
or it's going to put itself
Yeah.
in first place. So don't wait for the symptoms. Remember, the dinosaurs were kind of waiting for the meteor to pass. No, get prepared now. Take care of yourself. And no problems crossing the border or anything?
No, everything was smooth, and even crossing back, I've crossed many times, no problem with it all.
I know.
Yeah.
I'll try and snake you a medical pass,
Oh, there you
so
go.
this way it's only like 20 minutes to cross.
Yeah, it's even shorter. It's nicer route.
Okay. Take care of yourself. Take care of your families, because you're down with did you bring your sisters?
No, they're home, but they are
Okay.
planning on coming either next week or the following week.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Cool.
So-
Yeah, we got to go out to dinner or something.
There we go. Exactly.
Okay, take charge of your health. God bless you. Get your butts down here as soon as you can.